Hey, how you going? It's Mark here. Look, I see what you're doing. You're basically searching YouTube, looking for ways to make money online, right? Now, look, if you don't skip this ad and give me 60 seconds of your time, I'll show you exactly what it is that you're missing and exactly how you can move forward and produce some simple income online, some nice passive income on a monthly basis. So, look, to put it straight to the point, I've trained thousands and thousands of people on how to create a nice little side income using the power of the internet. Okay, now I know what works. Basically, what you're missing in your life right now is a simple step by step solution. Not watching YouTube videos that give you some generic stuff and little pieces of information here and there. You need a straightforward system that says do this, do this, do this, and the results will come in. Also, it wouldn't hurt if you had someone with my experience that could actually help do it for you as well. So look, obviously I'm very good at what I do. I've trained a lot of people. I'd love to help you succeed as well. If you're interested, I created a free training that'll show you step by step exactly how to do it. And in 60 seconds from now, you will be on the path to actually creating a business, taking some action steps towards your goals, as opposed to just watching some general videos and getting ideas, little bits and pieces of maybe what to do. So if you're interested, it's completely free. You'll see the little blue button here that says free training, learn more. Click that button, go over, and we'll show you exactly what to do in the next 60 seconds to start really exploding your online income. So thanks for watching.